The 2007 Chevy Suburban. Suburban exceeds at towing heavy trailers, hauling loads of people and gear, and enduring hard use and rugged terrain, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: running boards, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, OnStar, dual airbags, auto express down window, adjustable headrests, front air conditioning, power steering, cruise control. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.